I am Syed Ahmed. Today we are going to discuss about what is sentence, clause and phrase. These three words are those which you've been listening to or hearing for almost so many years now, but you fail to understand the discrimination between sentence, clause, phrase. So at the end of this session, we will understand what exactly sentence is, what is clause and what is phrase. Let's begin with what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words. Then what's a clause? Group of words again. What is phrase? Group of words. Does it not sound ambiguous? It does. Let's bring in more clarity on this. For a group of words to be called a sentence, the group should have two components. The first being subject, or in simple words, the doer of action. It has to have a subject plus it has to have an action or a verb. When you have these two components, the group of words becomes a sentence. Now here, how many subjects should be there? How many doers should be there? The subjects can be one, the subjects can be two, the subjects can be three as well. How many verbs? Likewise, the verbs can be one, two or even three. Example. I saw a person. What is subject? I. What is saw? Verb or action. What? A person. I saw a person. One subject, one verb. One doer, one verb. This is not the doer. It's not a doer. Doer is only one. Now how do I add doers? Who performs tricks? In this sentence, you have one doer plus one more. You have one verb plus one more verb. You've got two verbs, two subjects or two doers. So when you have more than one subject, more than one doer, that is called as a complex sentence. So what's a clause? Clause is that which has only one subject. It has one verb. When a group of words got only one subject, one verb, it becomes what? It becomes a clause. Example, I saw a person. I saw a person. One subject, one doer. That's it. Now take phrase now. What is a phrase? Phrase is a group of words. For a sentence to be a group of words, I told you we have to have a subject and a verb. In a phrase, there will either be a subject or there will be a verb. They will not be both. Example, a handsome boy. A handsome boy. What are we talking about? A person. Did you do any action? No action. This group of words is a phrase because it does not have subject, it does not have verb, both. It's got only a subject. Now let's understand what's a group of words which is got a verb, not got a subject. Worked extensively. Worked how? Extensively. But who worked? No mention. So we don't have a subject, only a verb. This remains a phrase. So when do these two become a sentence? When we club this, how do you do it? A handsome boy. What is this? What is this? It's a subject. What did you do? Worked extensively. It's a verb. Now you've got subject, you've got a verb. It does not remain a phrase. Now it has become a sentence. Hope I'm clear.